This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a remote start feature, power adjustable driver pedals, heated seats, a DVD player, a locking differential, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a folding second row, cruise control, a CD player, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, a rear stereo, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Bill Hood Ford Lincoln is located at 1500 North Morrison in Hammond. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.